Hey, what's up guys? Mario here. So I think I got most of the parts together to start building my next computer. I actually had to go camp outside a Micro Center store a couple times in order to find some of these parts. And even though I didn't get everything I wanted, I got the Ryzen 7 5800X and Asus ROG Strix 3090, which is really a big car. So that's gonna be a little difficult to make this fit into this case once I add everything else. So that's probably gonna be a separate video. But today I'm gonna be messing with this case, which is the Thermaltake Level 20 VT. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be cutting some of the front panel over here, not the glass but inside the case, and then I'm gonna be trying to adjust some of the parts that hold the motherboard tray in order for me to try to fit maybe 2 radiators in the front instead of just one in the middle. So hopefully I don't mess this case up, and we'll see what happens. So it took me almost all day to do all these mods to this case, and at the end I think it turned out to be really good. There was a couple things I could have done to maybe make it a little easier for me. One thing was to make the cutout for the floor fence in the front maybe a little smaller, so I wouldn't have to make the plate, but at the end I think the plate made it look a little more cleaner instead of just having all the cutout around the metal. But there's still a few more things I need to do in order for me to continue. One of the things is to make this water block fit into this case, because currently this block won't fit because of this part over here. It actually touches the radiator right here at the top, so most likely I'm gonna have to make a new plexi top for it, move the two G1/4 right here to the front, and maybe even change or add a little more designs right here to the plexi top. The other thing I need to do is change this mounting water block that it's made for Intel socket and change it to an AMD. So those are some of the things I still need to do in order for me to continue with this build, but hopefully on the next build I'll see how far I can make with these two parts and see how far we can continue with the build. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.